Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm going to do a general product overview for you guys on the Manincor. This is the Domino 6. So the Domino 6 is going to be the same as the Domina, except for it is going to be on a pedestal base. Otherwise, your overall dimensions of the stove, firebox dimensions, and oven dimensions will all be the same. The Domina is going to be on legs. Now the Domino, the 6 model, has the drawer that pulls out the bottom. So rather than log storage, you could still put logs in here, but you also have the option that you can put pans and hide them in here. So these are actually going to be 2 new color choices that are now available from Manincor. This is going to be green. I'm curious, please leave me some comments below. What do you think about these colors? The Europeans definitely have some different color choices that we don't have in America, but I have been getting more demand for green stoves. Now previously the greens were going to be darker, kind of more of a hunter green. This is kind of like mossy grass, so what do you guys think about that? Damper control, you do have 2 separate damper controls. Your firebox damper control is going to be located underneath the stove. When your damper control is located underneath the firebox, that is going to bring in your convection air from below, which makes it so easy to get your fire started. Inside the firebox, you do have your grate, which keeps the log from rolling forward. Sides and rear of the stove are going to be the cement refractory with a cast iron grate on the bottom. The door is fully gasketed. The Domino 6 is going to have the smaller, shallow oven. It does come with 1 enamel pan and 1 rack. Interior of the oven is going to be stainless steel, and then again your oven gasket for the door is going to be located on the stove body itself. Here you can do, this is going to be shown with the rear vent options on the stove. One thing I do want to point out is I've had a couple of questions on the Domina 6 if you can get the backsplash like the Domina has, and unfortunately you cannot get that on the Domino 6. It's only available on the Domino. Here is going to be the Domino 6 again. This is going to be shown with the stainless steel doors and the gray side panels. So this gray is going to be also a new color for Domina for the year 2020. So again, generally we stock in the stainless steel, but we can also order the doors with the black finish depending on your color choice. So I really hope that you guys find these product overview videos helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.